All right, students, we are back, and we are still with vocabulary. Okay, we are still learning words. Remember, keep on learning words. Learn as many words as possible. Words are the foundations. Okay, just like building a building, you have to have good foundation. Then you can read well, listen, and speak well. Okay. All right. So some more words. Yeah. Again, these words you will come across in the news article. Okay. All right. Here we go. New words, as you can see, some are new words, right? Yeah. Divulge. Yeah. Divulge. So that's a new word. Yeah. I'm sure you don't know the meaning of that word, right? Yeah. And flounder. Property. Property, you should know. Assets, property, right? And a therapy, yeah. Wealth, debts, DEBTS, but then B is silent, yeah. And then inherit. Okay, so these are some words that I want you to learn today, and look up the dictionary, learn these words quickly, and answer these questions. Yeah. What do I mean by answer these questions? You just have to match. Make sure you write it down, okay, in the box. So what's the first one? To give someone information that should be secret. Yeah. To give someone information that should be secret. So this is a secret, but you are giving that information. You are divulge is a verb. Okay. To not know what to say or do because you feel confused or upset. So you're not sure what to say or what to, because you're upset, you're confused. So that is flounder. Yeah. So these are the two difficult words. So I thought, okay, I'll just explain it a little bit. Yeah. And of course, you learn example sentences. I've told you many times, and I remind you again, always learn a word, meaning of the word, and then example sentences. If not just one, you can learn 2 or 3 sentences, and you learn the sentences. You don't learn just the word. All right, and property. So property, you should know what's a property. Yeah. Okay, and all right, the next one is the meaning of the word is maybe not property, but you should know what is the meaning by looking up the dictionary. Okay, so let me just read that part. Okay, the other side, column 2. Yeah, treatment of an illness over a long period of time. So this is treating an illness for not a long time, but not a short time. Okay, so that is kind of problem you have, the issues you have, then you get this treatment. Okay, so that is called, what is it called? Yeah, and radiation blank for cancer patient. So what is this? Radiation is a kind of treatment, right? Cancer patient or those who are affected by cancer, yeah, they need to go through some treatments, radiation treatment. So that is also called radiation something. Okay, fill it up. And a large amount of money a person or a country owns. Yeah. So you have a lot of money. So you own a lot of money. So that is, what is it? Yeah. Next one, the country's something comes from its oil. Yeah. I think this is one of the Middle Eastern countries, or many Middle Eastern countries, they earn money. They get money, yeah, because of the oil, right? How about Taiwan? What do you think? Taiwan gets money because of Taiwan's something comes from what? Yeah. Something related to computers, yeah. I wonder what is like the number one export material, yeah. What does Taiwan export to the other countries, yeah, or how Taiwan makes money, yeah, where the wealth comes from. Yeah. I just used the word. Okay. All right, next one. A sum of money a person owes, yeah, not owns, O-W-E-S, okay? I owe you some money, yeah, or you owe me money. Yeah. A company owes money to maybe the country or to other companies or to people, yeah. So owe, yes. And she had something of over 1 million. Okay. Did you find the answer? I think it should be easy. As I said, you know, some words are easy. Yeah. Okay, what's the other one? To receive money from parents or grandparents. So you receive money, you get the money from them. Yeah. Or not just the money, I think even maybe the house. Yeah. Your grandparents' house, you get your grandparents' house. So what is that word that we use in English? Yeah. And he, a fortune from his grandmother. A fortune is all about, again, money. So he receives a fortune, right? So he, that's the word, yes. You're right. Yeah. Inherit. Yeah. All right, so these are some of the words I want you to learn, and remember, words are important, and just look at the words and answer the questions. Whenever you have time, review the words. You know, I spend some time on learning these words or going through these words because when you read the article, you have to know the meanings of the words. If you don't know the meanings of the words, then you cannot understand the news article, even if your reading skill is good. You have some strategies, like for example, skimming and scanning. You know how to skim, how to scan, but you don't know the meaning of that word. How can you know a keyword, right? So that's why I spent some time on vocabulary. I hope you learn these words, and even some of my explanations are not clear. Yes, look it up on dictionary, write it down and learn these words. And remember, you can also try to predict what do you think this news article is going to be about. You know, I gave you some vocabulary before, and in this video also you learn some vocabulary. Let's say there are 10 vocabulary or 15 vocabulary. So based on these 15 vocabulary, try to predict the content of the news article. Yeah, so it talks about divorce, it talks about therapy. So maybe husband and wife, they have some problems and then they go for therapy. And it talks about debts, inherit, it talks about the money. So this news article could be about a husband and wife when they get divorced, who takes up the money, who receives the money. Maybe it could, I mean, the news article could talk about it, right? Or you can have your own opinions, you know. So I just tell you what I think would be there in the news article. But what do you think? Yeah. Spend a few minutes or a few seconds. Think about it, okay? All right, and I will see you in the next video. All right, thank you.